I don't know what this is, but it's kind of hot.
Hello, I would like to talk to you today about uh, David Sharp, Dave Sharp, because in Builderall, in relation to Builderall, because he officially joined Builderall in July 2019 when Builderall 3.0 was released. He joined in, he went at the mansion, Builderall mansion. So we have a picture here with Eric Salgado, James, and Dave Sharp. So he will be, he is a Builderall sales director, and what he's going to do is a sales funnel, basically a sales funnel with videos, thinking about how to sell Builderall. So he made a sales funnel with offers, upsells, things like this, which were not in Builderall before. But as of now, we are on the 10th of September. Don't look for it, there is no funnel yet. So it's been 2 months. I think we can see each other in 3 months and we will see if it's actually released. So I will talk into details about Dave Sharp and Builderall, things like this. But in the last affiliate webinar of Builderall, so one thing first, we never see Dave Sharp, we never see him with Builderall since he was officially announced as a sales director. If you search on Google for Dave Sharp Builderall, you see really a few videos of that and a few text. So there is nothing when you search for Dave Sharp and Builderall. On Legendary Marketer, which is his website, is a company, there is no mention of Builderall inside. So it's pretty much not a secret, but it's not announced. There is nothing much on Google about it. So Dave Sharp is known to affiliate marketers, for old ones, from the time of something called Empower Network. So he was a partner in this for the MLM with another David Wood. So they made this MLM, and after a few years, so it was very successful in terms of promotion. A lot of people talking about it, promoting it. You know, it was a MLM, so you buy courses, you buy into Empower Network, and you try to get other people to buy the courses, and you get commissions on multi-levels. But if you didn't buy this product yourself, then you don't get the commission. It goes in your upline, things like this, you know. And after a few years, so they split together. So Dave Sharp left the company, and Dave Wood stick with it. And then after a while, it has been a lawsuit or something like this. I didn't follow, but basically Empower Network is finished, closed by FTC, I suppose. I don't know. I don't care. David Wood, the other one, his partner, I don't know what he became. There are some videos of him being crazy. Anyway, so David Sharp is not same as David Wood. So he left. Okay, so now he's doing Legendary Marketer, and he doesn't have a video like he's crazy. You know, he just keep on going as a marketer and posting videos, talking about things on sales funnels, on the psychology of sales, things like this. So he's serious.
Fucker right in the pussy.
So Legendary Marketer, I'm not an affiliate of it. I did not buy into it. But I saw the videos of David Sharp, and we can see one thing on the blog. Here it's a video of an interview with Eric Salgado, Ruben, the one who does the blog, and David Sharp. So inside we can see what he's going to do. So it was in July, and you know, he talks about Builderall, how to sell Builderall, that it's a wonderful tool. He has seen the tool and he was seduced by it, but to sell it is not enough to have a good tool. So he says also that the Builderall is a good tool, and a lot of money, of time has been put into it which is not the case. Usually we see an ad for software is quickly put together, mixing several scripts. Like for the web editor, you have open source script and you mix it and you create a software and you launch it, you sell it. But Builderall has been made by Art with a lot of years, a lot of time and money put into the company again to pay for developers. So really the product is really good. But to sell it, Builderall, since I came, it was over 1 year ago, it was only about selling the tool, selling the platform, and that's it. There is no upsell, there is nothing more to buy than a monthly subscription. So there are several plans, before 3 plans and now 2 plans. But for instance, you cannot buy Builderall for 1 year with a discount. You just have to pay monthly. So it's very basic. They just sell the tools, and inside there is a lot of training to know what to do with the tools. But they are free. They are given, and for those who want to follow them, they are given for free. A lot of material. But what David Sharp is saying in this interview is that to sell it to people, you have to sell them like a vision of something they want
that's
to.
pretty good.
Selling Builderall for the tool, it's like selling a hammer, beautiful hammer, really well done, and that's it. But in order to sell it to more people, and not only to those who want a hammer, and they know they will want to buy a hammer, so they will choose and they will see this one. No, if you want to sell it to more people, you have to sell them what they want to do with this hammer, what they want to create. And so you sell the hammer and you sell also the plan, the blueprint of what you want to do, how you want to use it in order to make what you want, in fact, what you bought the things for. Of course, the hammer is a bad analogy, is a bad example, because it's so simple, but the door is very complex, has many tools. But it's the same, it's just one tool to build it all, but to build what? And so that's what David Sharp is going to do with this funnel. He's going to sell you the what, and then also the tool and the how to do it in any niche. So it will be an online business. You want to create online business, but for what? Why you want? So all this together, why you want to create it, what you want to create, what it will bring you at the end when you have done it and you run your business online. All those things, David Sharp is very good into the psychology of sales. Why, how you want to, how you sell something, but what points you need to make in your videos, what you should talk about, and mix them together in one message, so that the message is very attractive and it's a no-brainer. The sales video needs to be a no-brainer for people to buy in. Like so he did this with Empower Network, with Legendary Marketer, which is not an MLM anymore. It's just an affiliate program, but it's a bit the same. They sell products, and in order to get good commission on products, you need to have bought them before. Or I don't know exactly the details of this program. Maybe I should. Now that David Sharp is in Builderall, I should get interested into his product to know more about what it is inside, because he will apply this knowledge to Builderall. So in the interview, he says that Builderall is a good tool. He was seduced by this, but he's missing in order to sell it. He says yeah. So the quality nowadays is what is going to separate the winners from the losers, the product quality. So it was successful. There are other great software platforms that are in this space. And what is good in the competition is that each players have different things that they can they can show, they can sell. But the art, the community of Builderall is very unique. And this I know because I've seen several products and communities online. I seek them, and in Builderall, it's even just for the community, it's good software to be in, to have Builderall, because the community is active and quite supportive. And if you are like me, you don't know English. I mean, you are not speaking English. It's a good thing. Also, it's because everybody speaks English in this community, so it's a good way to improve your English. Also, if you are in my situation, it's a good thing. Also, so he says that the competition cannot replicate the personality of the product of the community, the product. So, and this is another good point for Builderall. But what he's going to include in his sales funnels is to sell Builderall as a package. In fact, as if you know sales funnels, I think the funnels will start with video motivating of what you want to do, and so you buy like a blueprint of what you want to do with any tool you want. But as soon as you buy into it, a very cheaply priced product, but good quality product, but cheaply priced, the tripwire. So it will sell this, and immediately after there is an upsell, it can be, you will create an annual plan of Builderall, that a one-time offer, an upsell, one-time offer that, okay, you bought the blueprint, now there is a tool to do it, this wonderful hammer. So
Wow.
for 1 year, special discount price, okay, you can buy it. So they buy, and after there will be also other things and other explanation tutorials about how to implement the blueprint that you just bought before. But this will be in another step of the funnel. First, it will be motivating video, introduction, buy the blueprint. If not, you can subscribe to a mailing list which will sell you the blueprint again, try to sell you, and as soon as you buy it, it offers also the 1 year Builderall plan, so you can have the tool to implement this blueprint. And once you have the tool and the blueprint, so if you want more knowledge in order to follow this blueprint with this tool, then you will have more things to buy. And all those things to buy, they are good. Don't see them as bad, because actually now, currently, Builderall training is free, okay, but as an affiliate of Builderall, if you can make a buck selling a blueprint, okay, and then a 1 year subscription to Builderall, then okay, another commission. And then if people want to buy a really good course on how to do this, and you get a commission, why not? It's not a problem. They don't have to buy it, but if they do, then you get paid. So there are more opportunities to earn money with Builderall, not only selling a one month-by-month subscription. So in the last webinar of affiliate, they said, it was a plan to recently to be released, this funnel, on the 16th of September. But I think it will be pushed a little more, because there are some things being developed again, and Eric Salgado would like the funnel to be released at the same time as the new system on Pixel Perfect. It's a bit of a detail, but Pixel Perfect, the main problem that they have noticed is that a lot of beginners in Builderall, they have a problem with the mobile version of the website they create, because the mobile version works, but you need to know how to make it work in Pixel Perfect. And the beginners, they don't want this. They want to have the website they create to be good in mobile without doing nothing. And it's not happening. So a lot of them will stop at this point. A few of them will try to make it look good on a mobile. So there's really a few beginners. And on this stage, there are things to do to make it look good on every browsers on mobile, including the tricky browsers of Facebook, Instagram. You can do it also, it's easy, but you have to know it. So, after those who can make this extra step, there are really a small subset of the beginners who have left Builderall. They left because they say, oh, the mobile version is not working, so I leave. And so this will be solved with the new things they will do in Pixel Perfect. We should take a few weeks, so maybe at the end of October, of September, or the beginning of October. But the funnel of Dave Sharp is ready to go, and so I think a lot of programming has been done, for instance, for the annual plan of Builderall, which will be available through this funnel. All those things, many things I think it will be nice. As for the affiliate program, that we have the new one, it's not going to change. So it's based on a monthly subscription. So we will see how it goes with the annual plan and the other products that will be added to this affiliate program. But I will not worry about it. It's just a waiting game again, because it's been waiting for a long time. I mean, 2 months is a long time, because those 2 months while we are waiting for this and for that and for, we are still paying our subscription. But we can work with the Builderall, we can do, but always waiting for the things, and it takes a long time. Like I mean, for everything we are too impatient, but which is normal. But it's coming. So let's say now we are on the 10th of September. In the 10th of October, things will have changed. I don't know if the funnels, Dev Sharp funnel, will be released at this time. I think so, but who knows?
Fucker right in the pussy.
And who knows what else we will be waiting for at this moment. But that's not very important, because when as I said, I've been here for 1 year, over 1 year with Builderall. I'm not planning on leaving Builderall. Of why? What will be the reason for leaving? So it doesn't matter if the next things will be in 6 months or what. I will still be here in 6 months. And so he goes on to talk about the nuances in different markets. But this, I don't know why he's talking about it, because I don't think there will be several versions of David Sharp funnels. It will be in English. I say that because, for 10 months with Builderall, I sticked. My plan was to sell it to the French audience, because that's what I've been doing in affiliate marketing, and I stick with it for 10 months, and now I have totally gave up. I gave up on this since the launch of Builderall 3.0, so in July. Now I'm promoting only in English, and sometimes in French I talk about it, but honestly, for French people, most of the French people, they're not comfortable with English at all, even worse than other countries, or European countries such as Germany or maybe Italy. I mean, in the rankings of European companies, France is at the level of Turkey. Turkey is not in Europe, but this level. So they are way below Germany and all North European countries, and even Spain or things like this. So French have a really big problem with English, and when they go into Builderall, the only thing in French is the translation of the interface, and it's poorly done. So you have big mistakes inside, not everything is translated, etc. etc. And that's it. You don't have any video tutorial in French. The community is all in English, so that's it. And there is nothing in French done outside the company. I mean, there are a few attempts, but very poor.
That's
it
pretty
works
good.
like if you get in my downline, then you can get access to the video tutorials I made in French to explain the tools. So it's like a mini sect inside the larger Builderall community. So this doesn't fly, because me, if I want to sell Builderall, I'm not in this group of affiliates. So if I sell in French, but I've been selling about 100 French customers, but now maybe 10 are left, 10, with a software that should last for years. Because once you go into Builderall, you build your business in Builderall, then you keep paying for years. But it's not happening for the French audience in Builderall. And there are other things to sell to them. If they just want a great sales funnel, there are software done in French with French customer support, French tutorials, and French community, small one. So I prefer to sell this to the French audience and Builderall only for the few who can speak English. Then I would say yes. But if you for instance, if they enjoy ClickFunnels, which has no French translation, if they enjoy ClickFunnels, then I would tell them have a look at Builderall. It's good too, and since you can manage with English, you should have a look at Builderall. But that's it. I'm not doing anything more in French. It's too much effort for few results. So I will do like this. And that's it for Dave Sharp. If you want to see him live, he's here. And inside, that's it. But we don't see it very often. So when you type David Sharp build a roll, there's nothing much in Google. So there will be this video. No. Bye bye.
Don't let your kids watch it!